welcome. Come on in the room. Come on in the room. I hope my tripod doesn't fall over. It's really windy out here. This started out to be a good idea, but I'm not sure. But come on in the room. Let me know where you're coming in from. It's a beautiful afternoon, evening here in Houston. There ain't a snow flurry nowhere in the sky. I know up north some of you all are experiencing some beautifully cool temperatures and possibly some snow flurries. Yeah, well, it ain't that here. But welcome in, come on in. You've joined Power Nuggets. If I didn't say that, I'm Chantel, and it's Thanksgiving weekend, and we need to have a conversation. Now, if you see me getting close to my tripod, it's because it's a little windy out here, and it's trying to blow my tripod over. So let's talk about Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is a time for gratitude. Well, hopefully. It's a time where there's good food and family. And let's be real, for many of us, these holidays bring more than just joy. It's also a time when unresolved issues come to surface. Maybe you're hosting family members you'd rather not see, or maybe you're walking into a house full of tension. How do you handle that? How do you show gratitude when it feels hard to love, heck, even like our family members? Here's a scripture to help anchor you. Above all, love each other deeply, because love covers a multitude of sins. That's 1 Peter 4:8. Now listen, let's be real. This doesn't mean excusing bad behavior, but what we're going to do is we're going to choose to show grace and gratitude even in difficult moments. This is what we should all be aiming for. Gratitude doesn't always mean warm fuzzies. It can simply be the choice to honor good, however small it may be. And I know sometimes you gotta squint your eyes to find that good, honey. But you need to look for it. Look for the good. Ask the Lord to show you or teach you how to show gratitude even in these hard to handle situations. Now, for some of you all, this is going to be your first holiday season without your loved one. The empty seat feels louder than the laughter in the room. But listen, it's okay to feel the weight of that. It's okay to be silent, to step back, and to process. Always remember, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted, and he saves those who are in a crushed spirit. That's Psalms 34:18. Lean into his presence. Lean into God's presence. Give yourself permission to navigate this new normal at your pace. Here's a thought that we can change the atmosphere during this Thanksgiving season. At dinner, bring blessings into this season of mixed emotions. Invite the most senior, mom or dad, or the most elder person in the family to speak blessings over everyone gathered. This practice goes back to the Old Testament when fathers would bless their families. It wasn't just words, it was a powerful declaration of God's favor and protection. Imagine the impact of hearing words of life. So many people hear words of curses, words of you're not this, you can't do this, you'll never be. But imagine hearing words of encouragement, words of hope spoken over your family. It can transform the atmosphere, and it will remind everyone of the goodness of God, even in challenging times. And it may even open up the doors of reconciliation. Whether your week is filled with joy, a little tension, or possibly a little bit of both, remember, take these moments as they come and invite God in to guide your steps. And most importantly, your words and your emotions. All right? Well, let me know what you're grateful for this Thanksgiving week in the comments, okay? And And until next time, continue to build your prayer altar. Peace.